Good morning, Yashwita.
Good morning, madam.
Very good morning, darling. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Let your friends get join the class, then we can start it.
Okay, madam.
Okay, dear. Morning.
Hey.
Shanmu, turn on your video. Murari, turn on your videos. Very good morning. Dharmesh, good morning. Mansoor. Please turn on your videos, children. Dharmesh and Mansoor. Shanmu. Varsha, Srivalli, turn on your videos. Good morning, Dharmesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Srivalli.
Good
Mansoor, Basha, please turn on your video.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children, without any class, without any delay, let's enter the class. According to today's schedule, children, we have a science class. And we successfully completed the first lesson in your science class. Hope you received the concise answers, children. Have you received your simplified answers? Did I send you?
Hello, ma'am.
Did I send you the simplified answers, children?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Simplified science long answers I have sent you. I have to send social simplified answers for lesson 1 till now. Yes, am I? Yes or no? Okay, children. Coming to the topic, today's lesson is
Hello, ma'am.
parts of plant. Parts of a plant. Children, if you want to have any questions or queries, you can chat with me. You can use the more option. Go for the chat and you can post me a question. If you had any doubts regarding the lesson, I'm just muting you. Okay. Today's lesson is parts of plants. Okay, children, here they have given a warm-up task. Before going into the lesson, let's have a look at the warm-up task once. Okay. Saurabh wants to sow a seed. Circle the things that are required for a plant to grow properly. Here they have given few things, children. You have to identify and circle the things that which a plant requires to grow. What does a plant requires to grow, children? Just give me a chat quick with the help of your elders. You can give a chat quick, children. What are the things given can be useful for a plant to grow? See here, first one, the first image is soil. Yes, Srivalli has replied sun. Yes, sunlight is essential for a plant to grow. Next to that, soil. Here, I won't give any answers for you children. I'll just tell the things what they have mentioned here. The first thing is soil. The second one is a plate. Third one is sun. Fourth one is an electrical bulb. And fifth one is water. These are the 5 things that have given children. You have to circle the things that are required by a plant to grow. Next, coming to the part of second segment, the seed planted by Saurav is now growing. Okay, with the help of some things, Saurav boy has planted a seed and it has started growing. Number its stages of growing in the correct order. Here are a few picks, a few stages in the growth of a plant, children. You have to give the perfect sequence numbers in which a plant grows. Is it clear, children? Can you understand the warm-up task? You have to give in the which order does a seed starts growing. From a seed, next germinated, next it got embryo and small baby leaves, and then it developed into a plant. You have to give the 1, 2, 3, 4 sequence numbers for this. This is up to your home task today, children. And in this lesson, we're going to learn about parts of a plant. Here comes, all living things have different body parts that perform different functions. We have body parts like eyes, nose, hands, and legs. Animals like cows and deers have horns. Isn't it, children? Every human being or a living thing has their own parts. Yes? Those different parts meant for different functions. Functions are nothing but, children, for suppose we have a hands. What we'll do with our hands? We will hold it, we will touch it, we can bear it, like that. With the help of legs, we can fold them, we can walk, we can run, we can jog, we can jump, we can do many functions with the help of different body parts. Like eyes, we'll see with the eyes, we'll blink it even. Not only by seeing, we can blink it even. Nose, we can smell it. Yes? And some animals like cows and deers will have horns. Horns means kommulu. They'll have a horns. Like that, elephants have a trunk. Tanish, are you getting sleepy, my dear? You should not sleep in the class, Tanish. Okay. Like, elephants will have trunks. So every animal have its specific body parts. Yes? Like fishes have a tail. Yes or no, children? Dolphins will have a specific mouth. Octopus will have a tentacles. According to the living habitat, they will have a different body parts. All living things will have a different body parts. Similarly, children, plants also comes under living things, no? We learnt about living things and non-living things, no? In that, plants also come in the part of living things. So, obviously, plants also will have a different body parts which perform different functions, and they are of different sizes, different shapes. Yes, now on growing, the sizes and shapes will vary. For suppose you see a small babies, their palms are very smaller in size when compared to you. Yes, their nose, their lips, their palms are very small when you hold a little babies around you. Yes or no? But what about yours? You're a grown-up kids. Your palms and nose are a little bit bigger than that little kid. So, and your mother's palm or your father's palms or hands are more bigger than you. On growing, the sizes and the shapes may vary, children. Similarly, plants also on growing, sizes and shapes will vary. Not only on growing, children, it's differ from a person to person. Yes or no? Our mama doesn't look like papa, or papa doesn't look like mama. So every plant is different and it has its own sizes. All these parts work together to help the plant live and grow. So all the parts of a plant, children, it helps the plant to live and grow. Because children, it doesn't have anyone to cook. How it will feed? Mama or mama will feed us. But what about plants, children? Who will feed them? They doesn't have a mouth even to eat. So all these parts of the plant like leaves, stem, everything works for the plant to prepare food so that plant can grow healthy. Okay, before going to teach you the parts of a plant, children, let me play you an animation video for you. Parts of a plant, children. Plants have two main parts, children. Root and shoot. Is it clear for you, children? Is it visible now, children? Arshita is a bit late to class today. And Varshita also, my dear cutie, you are a bit late to class. You should not be late. Lucky has also joined the class but a bit late. Why so? Why all my students today are a bit late? Okay, plant has two main parts, children. One is root and the other one is shoot, children. One is root and the other one is shoot. Okay. Root is the part of a plant that grows below the ground. There are two portions divided for your easy understanding, children. The part which can you see is above the soil, which is inside the soil. Can you see it? Unless you pluck and pull the plant outside, you can't see the roots. So the part which is inside the soil and part which is above the soil. Based upon these two parts, a plant is subdivided into. One is shoot, the other one is root. Okay. See, children, the roots are of again classified into two types. One is taproot. The second one is fibrous root or fibrous root. I will explain it later. Please don't get confused. Let me show you. In the lesson, I'll explain you. Root absorbs water from the soil and distributes it. Like this, roots absorb water and then it distributes through the stem with the help of stem. The stem will have again a branches. These are branches, children. Stem again will have branches. Those branches again have leaves and buds, fruits, flowers. This all are comes under parts of plants. See, children, I am explaining in each and every aspect. I know you didn't understand it perfectly. I will explain each and every aspect in the lesson. Don't worry about it. Your ma'am is here to explain you, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's move to the second one. Root and shoot. We just came to know about only root and shoot. The part of the plant that we can see growing above the soil is called a shoot. The part of the plant that we can see growing above the soil is called a shoot, children. Then what about root? Same, you can write the same. The part of the soil that grows below the soil. Below the soil is called a root. Those both are same. Above the soil is called stem, shoot, and below the soil is called a root. Is it clear, children? Okay. The shoot will have, let's see the parts which a shoot has. Shoot have, what happened, Dharmesh? Do you have any doubt? You can ask me. You can text me and you can ask. If the voice is not clear or you want me to repeat it again, you can ask me. Dharmesh, please stop sending such kind of messages which are unnecessary for class. Okay. Let us see the parts which a shoot consists of. Flowers, leaf, a bud, fruits, and stem. Again, big plants will also have branches. Yes? Okay. Until now, it's clear for you children, the parts of a plant, just about the parts of a plant, is it clear for you? Srivalli, Varshita, Yashwit, is it clear? Until the parts of a plant? Or still you have any doubts? Ashrita, Lucky, Varsha, Shanmo, do you have any doubts till the topic? Till the topic we covered, children? Is it everything fine? Tanish, Murari, Dharmesh? Okay, okay. Okay, let's have a look at the PPT also, what they have given in this PPT. Parts of a plant. A cool science facts. Facts means the unknown things of us. When we cut an onion, it releases a gas. This gas, when mixed with chemicals in onion, forms sulfur gas. This gas causes irritation in the eyes and hence make tears flow. Have you ever observed children? When mama cuts an onion, mama will cry. Right? Have you ever saw your mama crying when cutting an onion? See here why you'll ask no why mama you're crying while cutting an onion. See, a gas in an onion will be released and it is mixed up with a chemical in onion. Chemical is nothing but children. A molecular formula is called as a chemical. No other chemicals will be there. Don't worry. So forms a sulfur gas. Sulfur gas will make the eyes to get irritated. A burning sensation comes and then mama will cry. So that is the reason behind why the tears will come when an onion is cut. Here are some silly facts. It's really interesting to know about it, right? About 80% of plant life is found in the ocean. See, children, moreover, on the earth we find only 20% of a plant life, but inside the oceans there are 80%. You can imagine how much of dense forest will be also there inside the oceans. Oceans also contain many forests, plants, which is more than the earth. A potato has all the vitamins in its skin. Hence, it is always better to cook it without peeling off its skin. Wow, but we don't know, children. We really don't know, right? Many times we'll cook a potato by peeling off the skin. Even if after boiling or preparing a curry, mama will peel off the skin and then she'll cook it. But here they are telling that potato contains many vitamins in its skin, so it's better to cook and eat with skin. But why mama cooks? Because it peels, because it has a lot. It is a rooty vegetable, right? The potato is not grown up for the leaves or branches, children. It is grown inside the soil. It is a rooty vegetable. So it consists of lots of mud. So that's why mama will peel off and she'll cook it. But we can rinse it with water carefully and rub with our hands until the mud goes off. Then we can cook it with its skin. It is healthy because it consists of vitamins in its skin. Poison ivory release a chemical named urushiol, which causes allergic rash on skin upon touch it. Poison ivory is a leaf, children, which releases a chemical named urushiol that causes allergy and rashes on skin. That's why we can't identify such kind of leaves. That's why our parents will tell us not to go into the plants. If there are bushy plants or somewhere, our parents ask us to not to go. It is really bushy there. Please don't go there because many insects may hide there, or these kind of poisonous leaves will be there. You'll be getting rashes. That's why your parents won't allow you to go and play outside in a bushy areas. A sunflower completes its life cycle in 1 year. Thus, it is also known as an annual plant. Annual in the sense meaning, children, the meaning of annual is 1 year. Wherever you find the word annual, it is 1 year. In the aspect of annual rainfall, annual income, annual payment, like that, annual means 1 year. Yes? This annual year is means this year is. So annual is nothing but 1 year. Sunflower completes a life cycle. Sunflower crop is an annual crop because that plant lives throughout an year. So it is also called as annual plant. Sunflower is also called as an annual plant. These are some interesting facts which we have learned today, children. I enjoyed it really. Is it? Aren't you, children? Yes. Okay. Let's go deeper into the lesson in the tomorrow's class. Till now, we had learned about the parts of a plant. It is enough. Let's learn it in your next class, children. Hope you doesn't have any doubts. If you have, you can ask me. No. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.